Hi guys, I just want to share with you what I have received today is a parcel from U.S. sent by my hubby. Here guys, ayan, sinan niya ako ng package. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, surprise daw eh. It's a surprise. So let's go and find out what is this. This is from U.S. from my lovely hubby. So gonna open it. Cute. There we go. Ito na guys. Ayan. What's inside here? Whoa! See? Ito na guys. Ayan. Ano kaya to? He said it's a surprise. So let's find out guys. What's inside? I'm excited. My hubby is a very sweet person. He always give me a surprise. Guys, what's inside? Oh, we're gonna open it. Let's go find out, guys. What is it? Ta-da! Look. Oh, it's a small box. You see? We're gonna find out what is it. Oh, I guess it's a jewelry. We're gonna find out, guys. You see? Ta-da! Ah, it's an earring. Wow, it's beautiful. See, my hubby is very sweet person. He always give me a surprise that makes me happy. You see, guys, earrings. Ayan. Thank you for watching guys. I'm just sharing with you. I hope you like it and be happy for me. Thank you guys. Love you all. You see, it's the earrings from with my love. Bye guys.